squishy tour. Also, this is like every single one of them. I got more. Also, I'm gonna have a separate video, I think. If I have time, I'll put it in this video. But then that's like an organization video. So. First up, all my real Nidos. Okay, none of these are my fake. Okay, my fake are gonna be like in a different section. First, I have this one. Okay, it's a gumdrop. Remember, these ones are my real ones. Don't rage at me. Then I have a blue ice cube and a purple ice cube. The Sprite Nido. Dr. Pepper Nido. Nice Ice Baby. Hold on, wait, where's the logo? Nice Ice Baby. 2 of these Twirl. A Split Splat. A Dream Drop. I cannot find the bottom. A McNido. And my last one is a Snowball. Okay, now on to all my dumpling. Actually, all my sugar squishes now. This capybara that I got today at the mall. I got this one at Von Maur. Also, I got these 2 today at the mall as well, but like in like the stands. Like the regular stands that are like around the mall. And I also have this cute little Highland cow I got from the festival. This was also at the mall today. It's like a sugar squish. These are my sugar squishes, by the way. Or like the gel ones. This one's like really stretchy and I really love it. Then I stand. A gummy bear, which is at the fair. Duck. Maleficent duck. Fair. This little bear was at the fair as well. This one was at like a GameStop in my town. Another one from my town and the game store. Game store in my town. These are all my fake ones. Well, not like technically all of them. I mean, they're fake, but like they're not supposed to be dupes. Like the capybara. It's the Sugar Swabs one. Then I have this one. It does say needle, but it's obviously fake. Because look at the size. I think a real one's supposed to be this size. Yeah. But it's still really nice to just swing around. Now, my dumplings. Okay, so first I have this one. I made it. And it's slime in it. I actually like to poke it, like the slime inside. So I haven't glued it yet. A white one. This glitter one. I only have one little one. This purple one. This blue one. This mini orange one. The red one from Kroger. And my only RMS dumpling. Because they are impossible to find. Okay, now we're going to do my foam squishies. I only have 3, but it's okay. A blue donut. Pink. And I got this one today at the mall as well from Von Maur. Butter. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like the perfect amount of sunrise. Now I'm just going to do random ones. Now I'm going to do like sand and crunchy ones, I guess. Whatever this is. I don't know. I'm trying to like make room for all of them on my desk because I don't want them to get dirty on the floor. I have 2 of these like sand snakes. They're fun. They're cute. I like them. The sand cat. Probably like my loudest one. Oh my gosh, these ones are so good. I made them. Oh. So good. Okay. I'm going to do my my Tabas and Mochi. This little Mochi stocking. A Mochi hedgehog. Now Tabas. Taba paw. I don't really like Tabas. They leave a weird texture on my hand, but it's fine. Taba pizza, which was supposed to be Anita but faked. Taba nice. Oh, and then I only have, oh crap. And then I only have one Orbeez one, which is that. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get a snack. Sorry, I'm gonna get a snack. Okay, I got a banana. Just joking. It's so fun. It's so fun though. This one's pretty good. It's a little bubble. And that's, yeah, and then my jumbo ones. I guess this is also technically like a foam one, but like it's jumbo, so. I don't know, when I'm doing my organization, should I put this in the foam ones or should I put this in my jumbos? Let me know. Okay, and then I also, oh, I found one of my mochis. I was looking for it. It's a little light, but it's actually pretty good. Then I have this giant stick of butter. It's literally so good. I did have a strawberry, but I gave it away, so. This giant one. I also cut up my cheese. What's wrong with me? At the mall today, we saw cheese. I was like, oh, I already have one. I should have got it. It was 20 bucks. Mine was 5. And then I'll just try to find one at Walmart. This big duck. Yeah, I think I have enough time to do my organization too. So let's start my organization. My needles are gonna go in here. Needles. Sounded like I said Nita. Needles. Yeah. So this is a horrible lighting. I need to fix this. As I was saying, my nails are gonna go in here. So first my snowball. Okay, and then I have this one. Sorry, I just got a text. This one. I'm just gonna put them on. I think I might want to put my fake ones in. I'm gonna put my fake ones in. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put these ones in now. Oh, I'm just forgetting about this one. Okay, now I'm gonna do my jumbos. Okay. I just dropped my strap. This one. Okay. Push that back too far. Okay, not to do that. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, now I'm gonna put my dumplings in this bomb container. Okay, now I'm gonna put all my crunchy ones in here. My Tabas and Mochis. These random ones. And then the rest of them, I guess. In total, I have 49 squishies. Bye guys, I love you so much.